Oppo launched its new A series phone in Vietnam called Oppo A60. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A60 features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 950 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. In terms of camera, the Oppo A60 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 2-megapixel unspecified secondary lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 with ColorOS 4.0.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 45W SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.71 by 76.02 by 7.68mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A60 has been priced in Vietnam for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 5,490,000 Vietnamese dong, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 6,490,000 Vietnamese dong. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in midnight purple and ripple blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A60 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.